National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 3, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyle, Casey, Lincoln, and Marion. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for severe weather, damaging winds in the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright, let me check channel 2.
In central Kentucky, southern county in south. Metcalf, Russell, and Taylor. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. The flood watch by excessive rainfall. Additional rainfall accumulations of 1 to 3 inches.
Shit, I'll try to take a little bit of a nap.
We can't be dependent on China. When you realize from a Russian game perspective, it all goes through the same.
First final game at home, so you know. Tell someone. The new 1063. For free.
Since again. Oh, you met.
County, East Central One.
Alright. No effing stations this time. Weird. Okay, that actually did kind of scare me awake, though.
Elsewhere around the region, rain was falling with a temperature of 59 at Louisville, 57 at Covington, and 56 at Wilmington, Ohio. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 59 at Ashland, 68 at London, and 75 at Knoxville. It was cloudy with a temperature of 59 at Jackson, 70 at Middlesboro, 71 at Bristol, Tennessee, and 73 at Bowling Green. Here are the latest forecasts for the Kentucky River. Ford Lock was 14.4 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 25.2 on Sunday, 27.9 on Monday, and 28.2 on Tuesday. Highbridge Lock was 12.9 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 27.3 on Sunday, 28.7 on Monday, and 28.7 on Tuesday. Frankfurt Lock was 10.2 feet this morning. It is forecast to be 20.3 on Sunday, 27.9 on Monday, and 28.7 You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, your best source for 24-hour-a-day weather information. The station is KI Garrett and Wizzy.
Alright.